Audi A11 ek futuristic or luxury segment, key gari hydro modern design, high performance, or advanced technology ka bettering combination peshkati high, is gori car red color, uski sporty or bold personality, ko or b, ziada, obhata high. Ardini Hamisha, apni innovation or engineering excellence, K Lai Pachan Banai High, or A11 is Masal Ko Eknai Bulandi Tak Layati High, Gari K, exterior design, main sharp lines, aerodynamic curves or LED lighting, Kie, High Joe Isaac, dynamic or aggressive look, Dita High, front grille, OD, Ki signature style main high Leakin, is main Naya design elements, Shamil Hain, Joe Eyes, traditional models say Muktalif, Bannet, Hain, interior Keybot Key J2, Audi A11 cabin puritara sa driver focused or tech loaded. High, digital, dashboard, fully touch sensitive controls. Ambient lighting or AI-assisted drive controls, ISK interior co-future ready, Bannet Hain, leather seats, KA texture, panoramic sunroof or immersive sound system, ISK luxury elements, main Shamil Hain, Harchoti detail Parcom, Kia Gaia High, just comfort or style dono K experience. Milta high performance kahawale se sablas Ike powerful engine, say less hydro smooth acceleration or superior road grip provide kata high. Advanced suspension system, or AI-based driving assistance features is Gari Ko, Surf Chalain, Kalai Nahi, Bauki, Mezuz Khan, Kalai B, Bannet Hain. Yeah, model hybrid YA fully electric drivetrain options K Sath B, AA Shokta High. Joe, environment-friendly choice, KO, promote Kata HAI.ADA, 11 KA white showroom main display, ISK design, key ha nuance, KO highlight Kata high, white background main, red body car contrast Uski Shan KO or B Zaya Bahata, yeah showroom minimalistic high, Jahan Surf Gari high, center of attention Hoti high, Bina Kisi, distraction, Asablas Surf Ek car Nahi Bulki, X statement Hydro, technology, design, or comfort. Kanaya standard set Kati high.